Hello, John here from SI UK. I know a lot of you are fans of double-sided sticky tape or super glue and masking tape. Well, this is the reason I hate it. What was meant to be a quick cut testing a new DLC bit ended up feeling like a decontamination exercise, with tape clogging up the bit continuously. Now I'm showing here how I ended up clearing it after the job was done with an alcohol-based cleaner. I also had to use the alcohol cleanser while the bit was in the spindle to finish the job, though I didn't record that, mostly as I had to pause the camera while I left the machine to go and grab the bottle. More delay. Anyway, the bit of clean off here was the leftover from the profile cut at the end after I removed it from the spindle. By the way, for those interested, you can also use acetone, white spirits, panel solvent, mess to do this. You don't have any alcohol to hand. I've never tried vodka though. Anyway, I've got a feeling I'm going to end up using the tape again at some point. There's no getting away from it, but for the time being I'm going to revert back to the hot glue gun for small parts like this. Anyway, hope this brief interlude was of interest. Take care guys, thank you very much, bye.